everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Andrea. I am a part-time reseller. I resell on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, Kidizen, and Tradesy. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel if you'd like. It's free and it will help my channel grow. And if you're coming back, welcome back. It means so much that you're coming back to watch my videos. Today I'm going to show you what sold for me yesterday, the 19th of November and the 20th. These videos might go up later. I'm trying to upload lots of videos that I have filmed already, so this might not go up on the 20th. Yesterday and this morning were a very good day. I actually only had one sale this morning, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it was a pair of boots, but all of the other sales were from yesterday. So I had one Mercari sale, and I had 5 eBay sales and 6 Poshmark sales. So the first item I sold in Mercari were these Lululemon Astro black wide leg pants. These are a little bit of an older style, and they sold for $29, and I paid $2.50 for them. So my net earnings were $24.96 minus $2.50. I'm not going to tell you the net earnings because I just don't want to take too long doing the video. I have to pick up my son. So I'm just going to tell you how much I paid for it and how much it sold for on Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay. Each platform takes a different cut. eBay takes 12.9% plus 30 cents. The same thing with Mercari, but eBay takes a percentage of the shipping price as well, so it ends up being a little bit higher of a fee than Mercari. And Poshmark takes a 20% flat fee, but sometimes I offer a shipping discount, so I'm gonna mention that if that's the case. So I'm gonna show you eBay sales. I bought a bunch of fun sweaters and they have been selling. I sold this one, just want to make sure, but I think it was $20 that I sold it for. I sold it for $22. Is this chaps? I don't think the brand matters when you're buying these sweaters. You just need to have good keywords say that if it's oversized, chunky, grandpa style, fair isle. So if you use good keywords, they will eventually sell. So $22 for that. And all of my eBay sales, the buyer pays for shipping. Then I sold the limited black blazer. I am surprised that these blazers, they sell. I got a bunch of them for free from somebody on Facebook Marketplace, and they have been selling. I think I only have a few pants now, but their blazers have been selling. They don't sell for too much, but they go like for $12, $13. So if you're picking them up for $1, it might be worth for some people. I got them for free, so that's even better. Then I sold these men's American Eagle jeans. I don't usually buy men's just because I don't have time to go through the men's section at the thrift store. But occasionally I find men's items when I'm browsing through the women's section, and I usually pick them up if it's okay, if it's good. So I bought these American Eagle jeans. They were $2.50 and I sold them for $22. And they sold in less than a week, which is amazing. This is a fail, so I want to be very transparent here. So I went to Nordstrom Rack and I bought a bunch of shoes. I always do when they have a big sale, like when they have 50% off their clearance items or when they have a 40% off. So I went there, and I have a video on that, so if you want to check it out, I'm gonna link it down below. I don't know if I know how to link it up here, but anyway, so I bought these. The average cost of goods was $15, so I bought these costing $15. And I love them so much, but they were not my size. But yesterday somebody offered me $20 for them. And for some reason I got mixed up with another Botkier, I think that's the name of the brand, that I had picked up at Savers. So I thought I was accepting an offer on something that I paid $6.50 for, not $15 for. So the buyer offered $20 and I accepted it, and I was very disappointed to find out that these were the brand new Botkier shoes that I bought at Nordstrom Rack. It's okay. I'm breaking even on them. Then I saw this Ariat clogs. They're awesome. They have the wooden heel, and they were $6.50 at Savers, and I sold them for $34.99. It was an offer that I sent to a watcher on eBay. That is all for eBay. Then I'm gonna show you my sales for Poshmark. The first thing I sold, and I sold it yesterday, a buyer sent me an offer of $20 on this Lucky brand joggers, and I accepted it. I paid, I think, $3.50 at Savers, and I just want to move things quickly. I think I listed it for $40 and or $35, and they sent an offer of $20. But I just felt like accepting it, even though it was a lot lower than I thought maybe I could get for them. Then I sold these Madewell sweaters, not sweaters, sweater. I picked it up at the bins, my last trip, and it sold for $18, an offer of $18. And today I got an offer on these boots. They are just Steve Madden. I also picked them up at the bins. For some reason, sometimes people leave behind boots if they're heavy. They had some scuffs here, so maybe that's why people left it behind, and they are heavy to pick them up at the bins. But you know, they maybe weigh 3 pounds, and it's $1.49 a pound. So maybe I paid less than $5 for them. So I listed them for $50, and today I got an offer for $30, and I accepted it. That was my only sale today. Then I sold these Hinge. They are over the knee boots, and I picked them up for $1 at the thrift store that I go to on Thursdays. They have the 99-cent color of the day. So I almost didn't pick them up because I couldn't believe how come nobody picked them up. They're $1. But it was the end of the winter, and they were just there. So I got an offer of $50. They are size 6, so they are harder to move. So I'm very happy with the $50 offer, especially because I paid only $1 for them. Then this is a funny story. This dress, I got an offer of $30 maybe 2 months ago. I countered. It was listed as $65. It's a Brooks Brothers dress. I think I paid $9 for it at Savers. I got an offer. It's a man. He offered me $30 for it. I countered, I think, $49. He offered again $30. He kept coming back and offering me $30. Then he offered $32. So the months were warmer, and I thought maybe I can sell it for more. But now it's the winter time, and I just sent an offer for all the watchers, all the likers on Poshmark for $49 and discounted shipping. And then he countered it again with $32. So I'm like, you know what? You really want this dress. You don't want to pay much for it, and I'm willing to let it go. So I let it go for $32. And this was a pair of boots that I almost didn't buy just because the brand, it doesn't do well for me. It's Soft Spots by Soft, but I thought of sending it to ThredUp. It ended up that my box for ThredUp was very heavy, and I just didn't have space for them. So I decided to list them, but their style is so nice. You see, they have like this distressed toe area, and they are a good size. They're 8 wide. So I listed it, I think, for $50, and I got a $30 offer, and I accepted it. So those are my sales for today. I hope you like this video. I try to make it very short just because I need to hurry up and ship those things before I go pick up my son. And I hope to see you on the next video. Bye-bye.